How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. What's up?
Not much, just relaxing.
Do you like to grill?
Yes, I love it.
What are we cooking today?
We're grilling some chicken and vegetables.
Can you help me with the fire?
Sure, I'll add more wood.
What's your favorite food?
I like burgers the most.
Do you want a burger?
Yes, please.
How long will it take to cook?
About 15 minutes.
Do you want some sauce?
Yes, I love BBQ sauce.
Do you like spicy food?
Not too spicy, just a little.
How do you make this fire?
First, we need some dry wood.
Do you have any drinks?
Yes, I have some lemonade.
Can I have some lemonade?
Of course. Here you go.
What time is it?
It's 5:30 p.m.
When did you arrive?
I arrived about 30 minutes ago.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every weekend.
Is the meat ready yet?
Almost. Just a few more minutes.
Should we check the meat?
Yes, let's see if it's cooked.
Do you want some salad with your burger?
Yes, please.
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure, here you go.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like this weather?
Yes, it's perfect for a barbecue.
Can you turn the meat over?
Sure, I'll do that.
Do you want some chips?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you like ice cream?
I love it, especially chocolate.
Do you want some ice cream for dessert?
Yes, that sounds great.
Are you enjoying the barbecue?
Yes, it's really fun.
Do you want another burger?
Yes, I'm still hungry.
Can we play some music?
Sure, I'll play something on my phone.
What song do you want to hear?
Maybe something calm.
Do you want me to add more wood?
Yes, please. It's getting a bit cold.
How long have we been grilling?
About an hour now.
Are you full yet?
Not yet. I need another burger.
Do you think the food is ready now?
Yes, I think it's ready.
Can we eat now?
Yes, let's eat.
Where should we sit?
Let's sit by the table over there.
Should we bring the food to the table?
Yes, let's bring everything over.
Can you hand me the plate?
Sure, here you go.
What drink are you having?
I'm drinking lemonade.
Do you want some more?
Yes, please, I'm thirsty.
What do you think of the food?
It's really tasty.
Do you like the way I cooked the meat?
Yes, it's perfect.
Do you want to try some chicken?
Yes, I'd love to.
How do you like your steak?
I like it medium.
Do you want to try some vegetables?
Sure, I like grilled vegetables.
Should we make some more food?
Yes, let's cook a little more.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I really like corn on the cob.
Do you want more salad?
Yes, I'm still hungry.
What's your favorite drink?
I love lemonade or iced tea.
Can we add some more sauce?
Sure, I'll put some more on the table.
Do you want to eat inside or outside?
Let's eat outside. It's nice here.
How's the barbecue going?
It's going great. Everything smells good.
Do you want to play a game after eating?
Yes, that sounds fun.
What game do you want to play?
Maybe cards or a board game.
Do you want to play a sport?
I'm up for a game of soccer.
How's your day been?
It's been really good. Thanks for asking.
Do you like going on trips?
Yes, I love to travel.
Where do you want to go next?
I'd like to visit the beach.
Can you pass me the ketchup?
Of course, here you go.
Do you want to try my recipe?
Sure, I'd love to.
What's your favorite type of meat?
I like chicken the most.
Do you want to try some ribs?
Yes, I love ribs.
Do you think we need more charcoal?
We're good for now.
Do you have a favorite grill brand?
I like the one we're using today.
What's your favorite barbecue side dish?
I like coleslaw and baked beans.
Do you prefer a gas or charcoal grill?
I prefer charcoal. It gives the food a better flavor.
Should we invite more friends next time?
Yes, that would be fun.
How often do you have barbecues?
I usually have one every month.
Do you think we need more drinks?
We should get some water, too.
Can you hand me the napkins?
Here they are.
Should we invite our other friends?
Yes, they'd love to join us.
Do you want some grilled corn?
Yes, I love grilled corn.
Should we add some herbs to the meat?
Yes, that will add more flavor.
Do you want me to light the fire?
Yes, please. It's getting dark.
Are we going to stay here long?
Probably until the evening.
Can you bring the drinks over here?
Sure, I'll grab them.
Do you want a second helping?
Yes, I'm still hungry.
How much longer will the food take?
Just a few more minutes.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Can we play music louder?
Sure, let's turn it up.
Do you like to camp?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the mountains.
How often do you grill?
I grill about once a week.
Do you want to play cards after dinner?
That sounds great.
Are you ready for dessert?
Yes, I can't wait for ice cream.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I enjoy baking cookies.
Should we make another batch of burgers?
Yes, let's do it.
Do you want to add some onions to the burgers?
Yes, I love onions.
Can you pass me the mustard?
Sure, here you go.
Do you want to eat more?
Yes, I'm not full yet.
Do you prefer chicken or beef?
I prefer chicken.
Can I have a piece of chicken?
Sure, here's a piece for you.
Do you want to make a salad together?
Yes, let's do it.
Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and biking.
How's the grill today?
It's working great.
Do you want to try my famous sauce?
Yes, I'd love to try it.
How long have we been friends?
We've been friends for 5 years.
Do you remember our first barbecue?
Yes, it was so much fun.
Do you have any favorite barbecue stories?
I remember one time when we almost burned the meat.
What's the best part of a barbecue?
The good food and great company.